In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has access to your Google Drive files. Keeping track of file access on Google Drive is crucial, especially if you often share documents and need to maintain control over who can view or edit them. Whether it's a collaborative project or personal file, understanding and managing access can help you safeguard your information efficiently. Today we'll walk you through the process so you can feel confident in managing your file's access permissions. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by either typing Google Drive into your search bar and finding the link, or directly entering drive.google.com. Once you're on the home page of Google Drive, you'll notice several navigation options on the left-hand side. Among these options, find and click on Shared with Me. This section is crucial as it displays all the files that others have shared with you. You can organize and see what you have been working on with others, making collaboration a breeze. Now in this Shared with Me section, you'll see a list of files. The next step is to choose the specific file you want to check access permissions for. Click on the file once to select it. It's key to remember that selecting ensures you don't accidentally open the document, which can often disrupt your workflow if it's not needed at that moment. With the file selected, look towards the top of the page. You should see an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign labelled Share. Clicking this will open a new window where you can manage sharing settings. This window is at the heart of managing who has permission to access your file. It displays the current list of people who have access and also provides options to add or remove individuals. As this window gives you the complete picture of access, you can see each person listed alongside their permissions. They might have viewing, commenting, or editing rights, which are straightforward terms in Google Drive's sharing settings. If you decide an adjustment is necessary, perhaps to remove someone or add a new collaborator, this is the perfect place to do it. Click on the People with Access section to start making the necessary changes. By understanding and using these steps, you can securely manage your Google Drive files access. Remember to regularly check and update permissions to ensure that your sensitive information remains in the right hands. This simple yet effective routine can greatly enhance your file management and security practices. Now you have the tools to efficiently oversee who can see and interact with your shared documents. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your files safe and your collaboration smooth.